flood warning for the island of Molokai in Hawaii until 11:15 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., radar indicated moderate to heavy rain over East Molokai and areas that have already received a significant amount of rainfall earlier today. Although stream levels have fallen slightly over the past couple hours, rainfall intensity is now increasing over these same areas which received the earlier heavy rains. Rainfall rates of around 1 inch per hour are now occurring, and this will likely lead to additional high water levels on area streams along with flash flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kualapu'u, Kaunakakai, Ho'olehu, Kalaupapa National Park, Kanela, Kamalo, Mauna Loa, Walapu, Pupil, Kipri, Palava Valley, and Molokai Airport. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown. The heavy rains may cause rock and mudslides in steep terrain areas.